Can we do it then?
Every project is a promise of progress, structure, and the future taking shape. To keep that promise, you need visibility that never misses a moment. Manual inspections demand time, depend on limited human visibility, and often miss early warning signs. But with Garuda Aerospace's drone-based project monitoring and inspection, every inch of the site becomes clear, trackable, and measurable in real time. Our drones document every stage of construction with precise aerial imagery, capturing progress, structural alignment, material distribution, and safety compliance from angles no human can reach safely or quickly. The data transforms into 2D maps, 3D models, timeline-based progress reports, and deviation tracking, helping project managers compare planned versus actual construction with absolute clarity. Whether it's a residential tower, industrial project, highway, or smart city development, Garuda's drones monitor every stage, from excavation and foundation checks to structural framing and finishing work. With close-up inspections, hazard spotting, and safety surveillance, our technology helps teams detect risks early, prevent delays, and ensure every step meets engineering and safety standards. From workforce monitoring to equipment tracking, from material stockpile updates to daily, weekly, or monthly progress reports, Garuda Aerospace provides dependable, data-rich insights that keep projects running on schedule and within scope. Garuda Aerospace, bringing clarity, safety, and intelligence to every stage of construction progress.